Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with WordPress REST API using OAuth, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official WordPress REST API documentation. Identify the section that covers authentication methods. Understand that OAuth 1.0a is a recommended method for secure authorization. Set up a WordPress site if you haven't already. Access your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section. Search for and install the Application Passwords plugin if not enabled by default. Activate the plugin to allow OAuth authentication. Now, go to the Users section in the Admin dashboard. Select your profile to generate an application password. Create a new application password and note it down. Next, ensure you have a code editor or an integrated development environment ready. Create a new project folder for your API client. Initialize a new Node.js project in the folder by running npm init. Install the required packages for managing OAuth by executing npm install OAuth 1.0a request. Create a new JavaScript file named authclient.js. Within authclient.js, import the required libraries using require. Define your WordPress site URL. Set up your OAuth consumer key and secret. Configure the OAuth client with your application credentials. Prepare an authorization header using the OAuth client. Craft a REST API request to your WordPress site, specifying the endpoint you wish to access. If you're testing, use a simple GET request method. Execute the request and handle the response. Check for successful authorization by examining the response status code. If successful, parse the response data to ensure the correct information is returned. If errors occur, debug by printing error messages to the console. Adjust OAuth settings or request parameters as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.